Hi, I'm Sanga Kanthema. I'm a TME Education Ambassador in Malawi.
My name is Omoma. I'm a member of Megaspace. Currently, we're working on this project of filament extruder.
So this is one of the Changemakers project where we are sponsored by TME Education to make our own 3D filament from the plastic waste. So due to the prices of the filament and the accessibility to get the filament from the outside the country, we thought that it's important to build a project where we can be able to produce our own filament from the plastic waste. TME Education sponsored us with this project, the components and the everything, so that we should be able to recycle the waste into filament. We started this project a year ago, so now we are finalizing the project and we have tested it. We're still testing and prototyping. Then in the near future, we're going to build a big version of the filament so that we'll be able to supply other makers, fab labs within the country. The plastic waste, sometimes from the plastic bottles or the failed filament, 3D printing stuff. So we take those the waste from the 3D printer or the plastic bottle, then you drop it inside this funnel. So it has to be, first has to be in a pellets form. This has to be smaller enough so to fit inside the funnel. Then you drop it here in the funnel. Then the motor is rotating, so has a barrel that they push the plastic into the nozzle. So the motor push it and using the barrel. Then here we have heaters that heat the waste, and as you can see outside, we are getting the filament. We just need some motor to put it into a low. This is a very good project for Malawi in the makerspace like here, so that young people, instead of just using the filament, will be making their own filament from the plastic waste.
As Megaspace, we're thanking TME Education for sponsoring this project. We have been testing it, it's working, we're making our own filaments from the waste.